Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly create some animated GIF files. Now, first thing to do, and I'm just going to create a layer. Now I could just go over here and create a layer using one of these shapes. I could use a star design. I'm going to use some type. So I'm just going to quickly create Graphicxtras. But before I do that, just going to go to the timeline. So there's timeline over here, window and timeline. Create video timeline. So now you can reduce the length of that, just reduce that down. I'm just going to go for about that. That's reasonable. You can see the duration there. It's just going to be very quick. Right, now, go here to Graphicxtras, I'm going to add, and Graphicxtras, and that's basically the start point to that. So I'm just going to quickly drag that down. I only want that to appear there for a few seconds, so I'm just going to now, you see it over here, just move that around. You can see and then of course it vanishes. You've just got the background. That's all it's got, that layer there. So if you actually have something else, you could have like a gradient, other design. Maybe obviously if it's a GIF file, you don't particularly want to go for a gradient, but you can add other images, etc. in the background. Now, you got that. What I want to do is go to layer, and I want to duplicate that because I want to move it somewhere, and also I want to reduce it in size. So I'm just going to reduce it down a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to put it there. Now you can see now I've got this copy. What I want to do, I want to move it there. Now of course, it suddenly vanishes. That's not there. It only appears when you go move the playhead over to here. So what you can do then, if you actually got it, while you've got it there, you can now select that. And you can also duplicate it again. So say duplicate and Graphicxtras. And now I'm just going to go for bigger. So just like that. And then drag that along there. Okay, at this point you can't see it, but you can see it once I move the playhead over there. So, right, I'm actually going to just extend that. You don't have to keep them all the same length, so you can modify that, push it out. So you've got that, and then that. So you go through, and it's a very jerky animation, but it's animation. That's it. Now, file and export and save for web. And you can then go for GIF. Select GIF, you've got all the settings. You can see you've got the file 72 there. And what you can do, set the looping, you can go for forever, etc. And then quickly click save. That's it. So just save it as a GIF file and that's it, done. And again, like I say, quickly go through there and you can see it animating there. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.